Good afternoon. Welcome to Money's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for February 19th to March 5th. First, we're going to talk about the expected storm system to impact portions of the east with heavy rain and wind. And we're going to take a look at this for Thursday. And you see this is the high winds that we're forecasting. See right here. So there's a threat of very strong winds across this area on Thursday. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Also, rainfall could be a good possibility. You see, you're expecting heavy rainfall here across this area here, snow on the backside. Okay, we're going to get to the forecast now. This is for February 19th to 23rd. And this is what we're forecasting the pattern will look like. Still, we have a ridge over the Eastern Pacific. We have one over the Caribbean. And we have a trough extending from up below here into the west. Now, quiet conditions are forecast for much of the country. For much of the country. But we have a clipper system that will be, here's our storm for Thursday. We look at the GFS, see where the snow is going to be, just to bring this up because it just popped up when I was getting to the thing. But here's our clipper system that will be moving across the Great Lakes, and this will bring some snow to the Great Lakes region. Then we have a trough that will be entering the northwest and bring mountain snows and valley rains. And then precipitation will spread into the Great Basin of the Rockies early next week. And a moist flow into the south central states ahead of a trough will bring another threat of heavy rainfall. You see here for the south central states and the southeast. Now, this is the European deterministic, but we look at the GFS, and then it has some snow here to the north, some ice here across the Great Lakes region. So that needs to be watched for this area here. More rain, so along the middle Atlantic coast with the 540 line up through central New England, central northern New England, let's put it that way. And the rain here in the south central states could cause some flooding problems because there could be some excessive rainfall. Other than that, things will be quiet. We're going to look now at the period for February 24th to 28th. And the ridge is forecast over the Eastern Pacific. Over the Caribbean still, we have our trough here extending from this upper low. And we have above normal heights in the east. And the models are in good agreement with this as we go to the end of the month. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 48 degrees would be possible. And we have above normal temperatures here with anomalies of 48 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Looking ahead, we're going to look at the period for as we enter meteorological spring. This would be from March 1st to the 5th. And not much change from yesterday in this period. There's a tendency continues for a flatter flow, way near to above normal heights. You have a trough here across this region, trough here. Some of the models have a trough further to the west. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures for much of this area here, and I'm forecasting anomalies to reach 8 degrees below normal, especially in this area. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the western states, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And we have above normal precipitation east of the Mississippi River, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. So that's a long range weather forecast discussion from February 19th to March 5th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.